along that line, no? But basically siguro yung 100 baka medyo mataas na yung report na yon. But basically siguro from 64 down, maaaring nandun yung area na nawawala. Go ahead.
So, talagang may lapses because it is already admitted by your team leader, may lapses. Ang problema lang, how intentional is the lapse committed? Baka sobra naman yung intention naman itakbo talaga yung pera. Kasi kung hindi nag-intervene si DSOW for the first progress report, hindi maibabalik yung 27 million na dala-dala mo.
Congressman Gonzaga,
Yes, sir.
will you allow the PNP personnel
Okay.
to answer the question?
Sir, good afternoon.
Sige.
I am PCG Genesis Ruiz, one of the investigators, sir, in this operation. Sir, the real scenario, sir, is sa pagkatapos po ng namin, sir, ng operation is wala pong dumating na pera sa DSOU office. At yung dalawa po naming official, sir, si Police Lieutenant Colonel Gibara at saka Police Major Quijana is hindi po dumating sa office. That's why po, sir, naggantay po kami na dalawa ng investigador kung anong kaya po late po yung spot report. Tapos yung 27 po is hindi po in-include agad yun, Your Honor. Kasi na-include na po yun, ginawa na lang po ng antidate na nakipag-away pa po kami. Actually, nagtalo po kami na hindi na po namin gagawin yon. Kasi kami ni Major Quijana, kasi late na po masyado eh. It is violation po ng operation, Your Honor. But yun nga po, pinipilit niya rin po yung searcher na pumirma na sila yung nakakuha doon sa pera. But insisted po, Your Honor, na hindi po pwede kasi yun nga po. Tapos sininsist niya po na kukunin niya si Democrito mag-act na siya yung nakakita doon sa pera po.
Ibig nyo sabihin walang perang dumating sa inyo?
Yes, Your Honor.
Ganun ba?
Yes,
So,
Your Honor.
paano kayo nakagawa ng draft, ng spot report na wala kayong article na
Yung 4.6
hinawakan?
lang po, Your Honor. Yung 27 po, hindi po dumating
ang
sa office.
dumating sa inyo 4.6 million lang?
Yes, Your Honor.
Ayun ang dumating sa inyo.
Yes po, Your Honor.
Kasi in-isolate nila yung 27 million.
Yes, Your Honor.
Totoo yan, di ba?
Yes, Your Honor.
And then may intervention si Quijana na talagang yun ang panindigan ninyo, 4.6 million lang.
Yes, Your Honor.
Oh, ngayon lumabas na sobra pala ng 4.6 million.
Yes, Your Honor.
Oh. So yan ang klaro, Mr. Quijana, Sir Quijana, di ba? So, Mr. Quijana, sino ang nag-utos kay Democrito na dalhin yung pera na 27 million?
Yung aming pong team leader, Your Honor, si Sir Guevara po.
So, Sir Guevara, bakit may decision ka na hindi turn over yung 27 million dun sa spot report officer ninyo?
Turnover po, Mr. Chair.
After,
It was during the operation, Mr. Chair, I was the overall team leader, but I divided the team into four: the security and the actual searcher, and then that belongs to the team of Major Quijana. But when I was informed and during the operation, I was informed that there was a money. Then I consulted the investigator. What you gonna do with the money?
simplify natin na,
Yes,
simplify natin. Yung spot report, ginawa nila umaga ng September 16.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Yes, Your Honor.
4.6 million. Hindi nyo tinurn over yung 27 million, dinala nyo pa, pinadala nyo pa kay Sir Democrito yung pera.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Kailan at anong araw, anong oras nyo pina-turn over yung 27 million doon sa DSOW, the DSOU?
Yes, Mr. Chair, if I may. Right after the operation, Mr. Chair, I proceeded directly to the office, to the quarters of our former district
Anong
director.
araw, anong oras?
Around 7 a.m., Mr. Chair.
Nang
Ng the following day, September 16, Mr. Chair. On that day mismo, Mr. Chair.
Sir,
Your Honor, yung 27 million po, nakita po namin yan nung Sunday evening,
anong araw yan?
September 17,
See?
Mr.
ng alas 10 ng gabi.
Ano ba totoo talaga,
Yes, Mr.
Sir
Mr. Chair.
Guevara?
Let me explain, Mr. Chair.
Sige.
Pagkatapos po na operation, Mr. Chair, I boarded yung sasakyan nila Major Quijana. Then hindi na ako dumiretso sa opisina because hinintay ko po yung district director ko, Mr. Chair. Right after that, lumabas ako sa sasakyan, Mr. Hindi ko na po alam yung nangyari, Mr. Because I'd go directly to the quarters of my former district director, Mr.
Okay,
Chair.
sige, thank you. Sir Nartates, please. This is about procedures. Sabi ng procedure natin, kung may searching activity or tawagin na lang natin na operation, kung may makuha kayong article or search article, the procedure says you have to conduct spot report and there will be an officer who will sign that report. After that, yun ang magiging report ng operating team doon sa higher up nila. In this case, biniyak yan ni Colonel Guevara. Wala silang turnover na 27 million kung hindi 4.6 million lang doon sa spot report officer. Nagreklamo ang spot report officer na hindi pwede yan. Ngayon, do you think ang sabi ni Quijana, sabi ni Guevara, tama ang ginawa nila? May pera, kaya lang na-delay ang pag-report. Anong take ninyo ito ngayon? Anong take ninyo sa PNP? Did they follow the standard operating procedure ng police operation or just a mere lapse or this is a clear robbery, Sir Nartates?
In my appreciation of the investigation conducted, it is plain robbery, Your Honor. And it is the report that I have approved. That's why right now, that case, robbery, planting of evidence, perjury, and several others, it is being resolved or investigated under summary hearing proceedings at the National Capital Regional Police Office, Your Honor.
So, Sir Quijana, narinig mo po, it is not a simple commission of a lapse, but this is an intention to commit a crime, and that is robbery. Hindi ka ba magbabago sa testimonya mo ngayon? Do you stand firm on your testimony?
Your Honor, kasi po nasampahan na po kami ng kaso sa administrative tsaka po sa ombudsman. Sasagutin na lang po namin doon lahat ng mga reklamo laban sa amin, Your Honor. Pasensya na po.
Demokrito,
Yes, Your Honor.
narinig mo na yun si General Nartates.
Opo,
Hindi ka ba magbabago sa testimonya mo?
hindi na po. Meron po akong mga in-execute na rin po mga salaysay at depensa po dun sa sa sinampang kaso sa amin sa ombudsman, Your Honor.
Sir Guevara,
Yes, Mr. Chair.
thank you, Mr. Chair.
Well, thank you so much. Ang susunod po natin ay si
Sino ba?
si General Acop
Okay,
muna,
well,
tapos si Congressman Acop. Meron lang akong bago ko i-recognize si Congressman Acop. Sila General Mariano, Colonel Cabradilla, Colonel Guevara, Major Quijana, nagsama-sama ba kayo sa Region 13? Is this true? Can you kindly confirm kung nagkasama-sama na kayo? General Mariano, assign po ba kayo sa Region 13?
Mr. Chair.
Si Colonel Cabradilla,
Yes, sir, I confirm.
na-assign ka rin sa 13?
Yes, sir.
Si Colonel Guevara,
Yes, Mr. Chair, I confirm.
Major Quijana,
Yes, Mr. Chair.
so nagkasama-sama kayo sa Region 13? Okay.
In one, in the same time.
Oh, the same time to, the same time na nagkasama-sama kayo, the same time.
Nauna po ako, Mr. Chair. Hindi po, Mr. Chair, na pagkatapos mo na isang the RD, may dumating po, kasama po yung iba, Mr. Chair. Si DC, Colonel Cabradilla and yung mga tao pa niya siya, Colonel K. Opo, saka sila, magkakasabay po silang dumating doon nung si Colonel Cabradilla, si Major Quijana, tsaka yung mga tauhan po nila, Mr. Chair.
Sige, Congressman Patuana.
Thank you, Chairman. General, anong nasa Region 13 kayo or the regional director at the time?
Mr. Chair, hindi po. I was the Deputy Regional Director
Okay,
for
Adi.
Administration.
Okay. Pero the time yung rank mo is
Colonel, Mr.
Colonel.
Chair. Yes, Mr. Chair.
Okay. So the time, yung tatlo na nabanggit na pangalan, hindi pa naka-assign noon.
Wala pa po, Mr. Chair.
Paglabas mo, saka sila na-assign.
No, Mr. Chair. Dumating po sila doon nung nalipat po doon si Colonel Cabadilla as the Regional Controllership.
So, pag-assign sa kay regional, kay Colonel Cabadilla, saka sila.
Wala
Nasa
po
doon.
doon. Yun lang pong mga kasama niya, si Major Quijana, si Sergeant Desder, and si Sergeant Democrito.
Okay.
Iba po yung iba naman
Pero
po,
yung RD noon, the time, when they were assigned there, sino?
General Labra, Mr. Chair.
Retired na ba yun?
Kasama po siya dun sa nag-resign, Mr. Chair,
Kasama siya.
na-aprobahan po.
Ay, yung resignation.
That's correct, Mr. Chair.
Okay. Okay, anyway, so magkasama yung tatlo. Apat. Major, ano ka ba? PNPA ka rin? O lateral?
Your Honor, lateral po 2012.
Lateral 2012.
Opo.
Si Guevara, PNPA.
PNP 2008, Mr. Chair.
Si Colonel.
PNPA 99 po, Your Honor.
Anyway, Mr. Chairman, I will give the floor to the next interpolator. Papasok ako
Congressman,
mamaya dun sa
Mr. Chair.
mga assignments,
Will
Mr. Chairman.
Mr. Chair? A minute to Congressman Bosita. He was, waving to me. Okay, Congressman Bosita.
Okay, quits tayo, Honorable Chair, Vice Chair. Ini-scorean pala ni Honorable Vice Chairman Acop. Salamat, sir. Mr. Chair, mag-interject lang po ako in relation to the interpellation of Honorable Congressman Gonzaga. Mr. Chair, anong oras po ba General Mariano nag-start yung operation?
Mr. Chair, according to the spot report submitted, sa past 1 a.m. ng morning po ng September 16.
Okay, Mr. Chair. Anong oras po umalis yung ating operating unit doon sa 1811 building?
I have no idea kung ano oras po sila natapos dun, but I was texted by the team leader that natapos po yung kanilang operation at I was texted at around 6:32 a.m.
Mr. Chair, in support doon po sa interpellation na Honorable Congressman Gonzaga, and based on the dito po sa reply ni General Mariano, more than 5 hours yung searching team doon sa building 1811. And may nabasa po tayong report, Mr. Chair, na allegedly sinasabi ng mga Chinese nationals na biktima more or less 5 hours na nagbibilang yung counting machine ng pera. And hindi naman tayo nakaranas magbilang ng milyones na pera. Pero Mr. Chair, parang yung sinasabing time nag-start yung operation, serving of search warrant, up to the time na lumabas sila sa building, more than 5 hours. Then, yung sabi ng Chinese nationals na more than 5 hours nagbibilang ng pera, parang naniniwala po ako sa nabanggit ni Honorable Congressman Gonzaga doon sa report na 100 million pesos. Kasi po, hindi kayang parang sobra-sobra yung oras eh. So, ano po ang punto natin dito? Yung report, yung allegation, yung mga validated information. Kasi, in the first place, Mr. Chair, tama po yung sabi ni Honorable Congressman Flores na magse-serve ka ng search warrant 5 hours. Siguro naman, kahit sino sa atin dito, pag nagtrabaho ka, hindi mo gustong mag-stay sa isang room or isang building na magtitinginan mo lang ba? O anong gagawin doon sa building na yon? Kung more than 5 hours. So, maybe, sobra-sobra nga yung oras para bilangin yung 27 million plus 4.6 million eh. Kaya parang tumatama po yung sinasabi ng Chinese nationals na more than 5 hours nagbilang sa counting machine ng pera and yung sinasabi ni Honorable Congressman Gonzaga na may report na 100 million. Pag inanalyze po natin, parang nagtatama-tama, Mr. Chair eh. So ang question po, Mr. Chair, sa searching team, Major General Mariano, mayroon bang counting machine doon sa building?
Mr. Chair, I was not part of the operation during
Okay.
that time.
Thank you, Mr. Chair.
To answer that.
So wala kang alam?
Wala po ako dun sa Mr.
Kasi
Chair.
nga, hindi ka kasama sa operation.
Exactly, Mr. Chair.
Yes.
Sila po yung
Nagre-rely ka lang sa report ng mga tao mo. Tama?
tama po, Mr. Chair.
Dugtungan ko lang yung kinaklarify ni Honorable Chair Dad Fernandez. Kailan ka nag-start na makasama mo sa assignment si Colonel Guevara?
I was assigned in Caraga on July 2022, Mr. Chair. Dumating po si Lieutenant Colonel Guevara. Pagkakasabi niya po sa January of 2023 para po ma-promote dun sa Caraga. At after po na mapalitan po yung aming regional director, nagkaroon po ng bagong R6, dumating naman po sila sa Comptroller Division, Mr. Chair. So halos mga ilang buwan lang po yung
So from Caraga region, na-relieve ka, di ba?
Opo, Mr. Chair.
Saan ka na-transfer?
Sa SPD po, Mr. Chair.
SPD.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
How come na napasama naman sa SPD itong tatlo na to?
Yes, sir. It so happened during that time